What if retirement was not something you waited for at 65, but something you built intentionally much earlier? Today, let's talk about how Africans in the diaspora can realistically build financial freedom. But before I continue, let me ask you a favor. Watch this video to the end, and if you find value in the video, please press the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Also read the description under the video, where you will find details of the resources that I have created for fellow diasporans who wants to create extra income and invest safely back home. Many diasporans are exhausted. Years abroad become decades quickly. You wake up, you work, you pay bills, you support family, and then you repeat the cycle again. And many people quietly fear one thing. What if I work hard my whole life and still never become financially free? That fear is real, because many workers today are financially stressed. They've burnt out, they're dependent on salaries, and are unprepared for retirement. And the scary part is this. Some people reach retirement age with no investment, no property, no passive income, and no long-term plan. That creates fear later in life. Now, let's be honest. Some people reach retirement age, but they are different. They have investments, they have property, they have passive income, and they have long-term plan. Those who don't, that creates fear later in life. So if you don't have any of those, it creates fear. Now let's be honest. Many Africans abroad were never taught how to build wealth, and to retire strategically. People were taught work hard and hope things will work out. But hope is not a retirement plan. And the good news, early retirement is possible. You don't have to retire at the age of 60 or 65. You can retire earlier. Not through magic or not through luck, but it's through discipline, ownership, investment, multiple incomes, and long-term thinking. And retirement does not necessarily mean doing nothing. It means freedom. Freedom to choose how to work, where to live, and what you can do with your time. And that changes life completely. Many financially free people globally follow similar pattern. They invest consistently, live below their means, build businesses, they acquire assets, and created passive income. Now imagine two people abroad. Person A spends everything emotionally for 30 years. But person B invests monthly, build assets gradually, creates multiple income streams. And by age 50, 55, their relatives look dramatically different. And here is another important truth. Many diasporans are now creating retirement flexibly through rental property, having been agriculture, online businesses, digital income, and have investment back home. And that creates options later. And options create freedom. So listen carefully. Retirement freedom is built long before retirement age arrives. Smart financial decisions you take today will decide your lifestyle tomorrow. So build wealth by investing. Side hustle gives you financial freedom and a good retirement strategy. Visit the website. The link is in the description of this video. There are resources there, so you will discover more about how you can plan your investments. If you do like this video, you will enjoy it, please once again subscribe, like, comment, and put on your notifications so that you can receive or be notified when the next video. Thank you for watching.